Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying the correct revenue stamp denomination for this receipt and the legal requirement that applies. Once done, place the receipt on a clean surface and align the stamp where regulations require, usually near the total or signature block. Make sure to date the receipt and write the payer name legibly beside the stamp if rules require. Use a strong adhesive or pre-gummed stamp. Press firmly so it adheres without covering printed legal text or serial numbers. You now apply and cancel the stamp to prevent reuse. Press the stamp flat and smooth out any bubbles. A folded stamp can be rejected. Once secure, cancel it by marking the date and your initials using an ink stamp or an official punch. Follow local rules for the cancellation method. Then immediately record the stamp's serial, denomination, and receipt ID in your ledger or digital system. Doing this creates an audit trail and reduces the risk of disputes later. You finish by returning the stamped receipt to the customer and filing your copy in the business records. Once done, double-check legibility of the stamp, date, and signatures. Make sure no critical data is obscured. If the stamp is damaged or falls off, stop. Do not improvise. Contact the issuing authority for replacement procedures or authorized affixing methods and document the incident. If receipt must be reissued, follow legal steps to void the original and note the reason to avoid compliance issues.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.